Hello everyone, welcome to all of you. Today we are gonna solve the Geeks for Geeks question leader in an array. So it is marked as easy question. So the question state given an array A of the positive integer, your task is to find the leader in an array. An element in an array is a leader if it is greater than or equal to all the element to the right side. The rightmost element is always a leader. So the question state that we have given two values like array we have given a array that consisting some numbers and we have given n that is the size of the array. So we have to find the leaders. A leader is called as that if element for every element if its right side values is less than its value then it is a leader. Like for this if we check 16 is 16 a leader then we will check to the right side. After 16 there is 17 so 16 cannot be a leader. Then we will check 17 17 is a leader. So 17 after 17 there are no element that is bigger than 17 so 17 is the leader. Then we will check for 4 is the leader. After 4 3 is smaller than 4 but 5 is greater than 4 so 4 cannot be a leader. 3 cannot be a leader because after 3 there is a 5. 5 is a leader because after 5 there is one element that is 2 which is less than 5. So after 5 all the rightmost element are the lesser than the 5. So 5 is our leader. For 2 is our leader because after 2 there are no such elements so it is the greatest on the right side. So we have to return the array list that consists the leaders. So in this approach we can see that we can use nested loops like we will point to 16 then we will check that is there are any values greater than 16. So if we find the value then we will move, otherwise we will add into the our list. Then we go to the 17 then fill iterate after the index of 17 and check that is there are value greater than 17 or not. Then we go to the 4 then check values greater than or not, 3 not. So this is our very simple naive approach, brute force approach that came to our mind, but its complexity is big of n square. So we cannot use this for our code. Now we have to need something like we have given that expected time complexity big of n, expected auxiliary space big of n. So we have only create only one array, our answer array, and we will iterate array only once big of n. So let's see how we are going to solve this problem. So this is our given function. We have to return the array list of the integer. We have given two values array and its size. We will create two pointers that point to the right side of the element. We will set index and -1 and right index and -2. And we create our answer array list. So we will create our answer array list while left is greater than or equal to 0. We will iterate from the right side to the left side. So our base condition is left is greater than or equal to 0. Then while loop iterate. So we will check if our array dot left is greater than or equal to array dot right. Then we will add. I will explain it to you. First we will see. Then we will add our answer and we will set right equal to the left. And after that we will decrease right by left by 1. We will move right, left to the one more step. So like in this example, first left and right both are pointing to the true. And for this case, like array of left is greater than or equal to array of right, means if for this value is there are any value that is greater than that value is greater than 2, then that will be the leader. You can see here like for the value 5 is greater than 2. 5 is greater than 2 so 5 is leader because 2 is leader. After 2 there are only one value 5 that is greater than 2. So all the values after the 5 will also less than the 5. So 5 will be the leader. So we will make 5 leader means we will add in into the array. Then we will move our right pointer to the 5. After 5, if there are any values that is greater than 5, then we will check our condition. If there are any values greater than 5. So 3 is not greater than 5. So it cannot be leader because 5 is already occurred. So all the element that are before it that is smaller than 5 will not be the leader. So 3 is not the leader, 4 is not the leader. Then we go to the 17. 17 is greater than 5, so 17 will be the definitely the leader. So 17 will be the leader. We will add 17 in our array, and we will move our right pointer to this. Then we will go to the 16. 16 is less than 17, then we will minus minus. So after that we get the our leader. So one thing we have to take care that we will add the values at the zeroth index, means first index, first position. We will add this value. If you do answer dot add, then our values will be in the opposite direction. So we have to manage the direction. So every time we will insert the value, we will insert at the zero index. So this is our solution. If we run it,